Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have shared your Prime benefits using Amazon Household, you can remove as a member at any time through your Amazon account settings. First thing, go to Amazon Household settings. So open Amazon Amazon website. Okay, sign into your account. Of course, you have to be signed in. Navigate to Amazon Household. Okay. This is where all members are managed. Okay, so as you can see here, tap this. Locate the members to find the adult, teen, or child you want to remove. Okay, first thing you have to have the account first. So create your account. Okay, so you get here the invitee names and the invitee's email, and then you tap continue. So you will find here members that are listed. Enter your household, remove the member, click remove, confirm your choice. This action may require password verification, so confirm removal, like complete any security prompt. Member is removed from your household after that, and access to Prime Video is revoked instantly. Okay, so review your accounts, like check shared payments methods, devices and access, remove any unfamiliar devices if needed. It keeps your account secure. Okay, what happens after removal? The removed user loses access to Prime Video, their account becomes independent, and your Prime benefits remain unchanged. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.